You've been shredding the trails with your pals for years now. You're fluent in the mountain bike language and can talk to the dudes about hucking doubles, steezy rides, and shredding the gnaw. Off the trails, this lingo gets weird glances from passerby. You feel like it's time to win some respect. You decide science is a good strat to study your way to looking knowledgeable, but which branch will best harmonize with your current hobby? Biology is an obvious no. It's a well-known fact that flora isn't exactly a biker's best friend. Physics won't work. You'd spend too much time doing the math to actually experience the gravity. Chemistry sounds fun with all its gadgets, but put those gadgets on a bike simply isn't practical. You still want to make it up the hill after all. So you settle on geology. It's the perfect fit, requiring minimal gear and teaching about the forces that shape the trails you frequent. You'll learn about everything from the rocks you ride to the shape of the slopes you shred. You begin by researching the trail features you've encountered in the past. A natural wall ride seems an easy place to start. The desert flash floods that weather these washes happen in massive bursts, eroding deep, steep walls that are excellent for carrying speed through turns. Riverbeds and valleys come in a variety of shapes and sizes, making them the perfect settings for unique trail systems. In your research, you see a diagram that reminds you of the local cliffs you drop. You learn that some of the rock layers are softer, allowing them to erode into stable slopes. The harder rock faces remain vertical, giving you easy airtime. Terraces form when several stronger layers are stacked on top of weaker ones. Since the hard material acts as a shield for the underlying weak rock, they erode together into flat platforms, creating a chain of steep cliffs. Another product of erosion is ridges. You often use these as jumps or skinnies, but your favorite form is ridgeline trails. You learn that ridges form when the slopes from two river valleys join together. The more resistant the rock, the steeper the sides, and the gnarlier the trail. So you've learned a little bit more about the lines you shred. At their core, your rides are still just a way to get outside with the dudes, but now you are more aware of the amazing forces that provide your playground. You've earned yourself the title of cyclologist, an elite group of riders who care about what they're riding on.
Cheers.
Oh, it's quartz.
Nice.